Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into the trade for 9th June 2021. In the international market, US Treasury yields fell on Tuesday after US trade deficit narrowed slightly from record levels as COVID-era demand for imports reduced. US 10-year closed 4 basis points down at 153 percentage points and 30-year closed 4 basis points down at 221 percentage points on Tuesday. Watch out, US inflation later this week, and ECB meeting on Thursday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $72.43 per barrel. Short-term range is 69 to 73. Night research call book profit around 73, immediate resistance for now, and we will re-enter at 70 very soon. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 90.09. DXY's today's range seems to be 89.76 to 90.44. USD CNY or Chinese yuan at 640. USD INR with a low of 72.76 closed at 72.89 near day's high. USD INR range for today seems to be 70 to 73.10. Watch out, USD INR may cross 73 level for intraday today. In the domestic market, US yields plunge is continued ahead of the US inflation data, and that has kept the positivity going in Indian markets as well. Traders are buying 5 and 10-year maturities, expecting them to be the part of GSEP 1.0 third tranche, which is to be announced in this week. 563 2026 closed at 551 versus 556 the previous trading day. 585 2030 closed at 6 versus 602 the previous trading day. Trading data for 8th June 2021. Public sector banks were net sellers with rupees 5,367 crores. This sale was observed by the private sector banks with rupees 2,315 crore and primary dealers by 2,154 crores. 8th June 2021 SDL auction analysis. 10-year Rajasthan at 680 and Punjab at 681. Both the cutoffs were aggressive due to only rupees 11,000 crore auction size, which was comparatively small, and no other 10-year SDLs in auction. Night research call for 585 2030 range is 6 to 603. For positional trade by 585 2030 above 603. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.